Let's be green with envy. There's a ton of greens products on the market. Greens are really, really important, and unfortunately, we really can't get everything we need in our diet. You're not gonna eat a bunch of broccoli, a bunch of green beans, a bunch of spirulina and chlorella, and all of these other vegetables and superfoods all in one meal or in a couple meals in a day. So you've really gotta find something that can give you a condensed combination of strategic ingredients. ReLive Greens was actually formulated by Dr. Ram. This product was actually made from what she used to eliminate her pituitary tumor. This is not your ordinary greens product. It's loaded with prebiotics, probiotics, nature's most powerful ingredients that are one of nature's most dense sources of amino acids and nutrients. It is actually crucial for feeding the body what it needs to produce glutathione, which, if you know, is the master antioxidant. Plants that allow our body to assimilate all of those nutrients, like magnesium. You know how many sources of magnesium there are in this? At least a dozen. This is ReLive Greens. There's nothing comparable on the market that's going to give you what you need to subsist on in a crazy, busy, active day. It doesn't break a fast. You can give your body all of the key nutrients it needs while you're doing a fast. If you're an athlete, absolutely crucial. If you're a parent, the flavor of this is absolutely phenomenal, so kids actually like it. And then you can mix it into anything. You've got to get your greens, you got to get your veggies. Make it simple.